Hello. After pineal gland, let's start with thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is made up of two lobes. Two lobes are present on either side of trachea, and the two lobes are interconnected by isthmus. Isthmus is a thin flap of connective tissue, and thyroid gland consists of follicles and stromal tissues. Follicles have follicular cells, and follicular cells produce two hormones, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine, T4 and T3. This tetraiodothyronine, also known as thyroxine. There is another type of hormone, thyrocalcitonin, TCT, also produced by the thyroid gland. Thyroid glands disorders. We have two disorders of thyroid gland. One is hypothyroidism and another is hyperthyroidism. This hyperthyroidism is caused due to the deficiency of iodine in our diet. In hypothyroidism, there is enlargement of thyroid gland known as goiter. If a pregnant woman is suffering from hypothyroidism, then there are many chances of defective development of the baby, leading to the stunted growth known as cretinism, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, abnormal skin, deaf mutism, etc. In adult women, there may be irregular menstrual cycle due to this hypothyroidism. This is all about hypothyroidism, and now we are moving on to hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is caused due to cancers in the thyroid gland or the thyroid gland cells. It increases the level of hormone secretion. It causes exophthalmic goiter. You can notice the difference over here that in hypothyroidism, a person suffering from goiter, and in hyperthyroidism, person suffering from exophthalmic goiter. That is also known as Graves' disease. The symptoms of Graves' disease are enlargement of gland, protrusion of eyeball, increased basal metabolic rate, and weight loss. See the diagram? There are two lobes of thyroid gland, and this is the interconnected flap, that is isthmus. Now the function of thyroid gland. See, the function of thyroid gland thyroid gland helps in RBC formation, carbohydrate, fat, protein metabolism, water electrolyte balance. The third hormone, thyrocalcitonin, is a protein hormone and it helps to maintain the blood calcium level. Next, we'll move on to the next gland, that is the parathyroid gland. Parathyroid glands are four in number, four parathyroid glands, that is in the back side of the thyroid gland. You can trace it in the NCERT diagram as follows. In each lobe of thyroid gland, there are two parathyroid glands in either side of the trachea, and in the back side, you must remember that thing, that there is back side of the thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secrete a peptide hormone known as parathyroid hormone or PTH. PTH also helps in increase calcium level in our blood. It acts on bones and stimulate bone resorption and calcium resorption by renal tubules also. So in all over or in all together, you can say that this parathyroid hormone is a hypercalcemic hormone and it increases the blood calcium level. Next, we will move to the next gland, that is thymus. Thymus is a lobular structure actually, and it is present in between lungs, behind the sternum, and on the ventral side of the aorta. You must remember these three things in location to thymus. And thymus helps in the development of immune system, a very important system of our body. The hormone of thymus is a peptide hormone, that is thymosin. Thymosin helps in differentiation of T lymphocyte, that helps in cell mediated immunity, and production of antibodies also leads to humoral immunity. So overall, thymus maintain the immune system of our body. That's all. Thank you.